Hey guys, it's George Flow Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the new DVC cabins at Fort Wilderness Campground. I'm going to take a couple minutes here, go inside, show you guys the new cabins and how great they are. You guys come along for the ride. All right, guys, so we're at the car now, and we are in 2851, so we're in a 2800 loop, and you saw us drive through it, but this is the cabin. I'm so excited. Come, we gotta walk in. So, like I said before in the video, this is all brand new. So they put this fantastic deck. Now what they also had out here in the front is underneath that tarp is a charcoal grill. And in the stores, you can buy charcoal. Awesome. So here's the steps that go up under your deck. It's your own little private deck. What's great is they have seating out here. They have a table so you can actually have meals, benches underneath the table. And then they have these great chairs. And look at, they already got hidden Mickeys tucked in there. So hidden Mickeys on the back of the chairs. And if you look at the back of your property, there's nothing but woods. Now you are surrounded by people, but Disney's magic, man. It feels like you're everywhere. Now, remember we talked about the slanted roofs. Now that cabin's front door is on the other side, so I can't see in through his glass, but there's ours. So this is the front. Let me get a better angle for you guys real quick. So here's the front of the whole property. And it is just modern and awesome. So there's really one door. Now that other second set of doors, it looks like a slider. It's not. It's actually just a large window. It's not a slider. But there you go. Let's go inside and take a look and see what we have. So you walk immediately in to the kitchen area. So this is the dining table, 4 chairs ready to go. Remember, this is a 1-bedroom cabin. And then they have a full kitchen, stove, microwave, dishwasher, sink, and then they have a Keurig coffee pot with a single Keurig and then a coffee pot, which is kind of a neat addition. It's not just a simple little Keurig, you get both. And they give you a great supply of coffee. Yes, I like coffee. Now, they do give you the plates and the cups and all that. And so there's the plates and the cups. I love the fact that the cups are mason jars. Kind of smacks back the country. The real plates, glassware. It's great. And then they do have they bring you enough silverware. So you're eating with real utensils and real silverware and all that. The counters are solid surface. Beautiful stuff. Now, right attached is kind of a continuation in the living room. Has a great little couch. Sits 2, a little bench, and another sitting chair. Now, look at the curtain. I had the curtain pulled back. If you look here, it's Chippendale. Let me pull this one out a little bit. It's Chippendales running away, stealing some nuts. Chippendale is really the theme of the entire cabin, and it's awesome. And then they have a real big TV, and yes, it's anniversary day. And then this is a great addition. So behind that is the Murphy bed. So where usually there are couch beds in most Disney places, behind that, the 2 handles there, it pulls down and it becomes a bed. So there's a bed behind there. So we'll do that later and show you how it works, but it's really got a great picture of it with Mickey and Pluto on their way through the drive-in, check-in like we just went through with their RV. All right, guys, so this is the Murphy bed. We talked about it a second ago. So I want to show you how it works. I moved that little footstool out of the way, and this is how it goes. I'm one-handed, pulling it down. Now it comes down and it slows down. So it doesn't drop. And there's a full bed. So let's take a look at this real quick together. So that's what the full Murphy bed looks like. It is enough for 2 adults if you like each other. 2 kids without a doubt. And inside there, how cool is that? I think that is just an awesome picture. Mickey on his hammock, Pluto grabbed a couple snooze while they're sitting outside the campground. And you got Chippendale kind of crashed out. So this is just a great way you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in this cabin. Again, if you like each other, it'll work. But God, I want to show you that. So guys, that's the living room, that's the kitchen. Now let's go into the bedroom. In the bedroom is a separate room. It has a great queen size bed. But I think what really sets this thing apart is they have bunks. Now, if you guys have been with our channel, you know we did the previous cabins before they did the upgrade. These bunks are 18 levels higher than what the other bunks were. They're sturdy, they look solid, metal. It's just really posh. So underneath they have the blanket as like a roll like you do for camping. You have your pillows, and then they have Chip and Dale sleeping, and it looks like Donald's feet sticking out from the tent. That light is not part of the picture. It's actually a night light that lights in underneath there. And then here they have that ladder. Now let's go up. I'll show you guys the top up here. So it's the exact same setup. That was probably Dale down there. There's Chip sleeping up here. And there's another night light for this area, so you can do a reading light. And then above the bed, Chip and Dale. Kind of in the wood carvings. And then there's a great bed. Now in this picture, it's really neat because they do a lot of Easter eggs. River Country was the old Disney park that closed down. They have Fort Wilderness over there, the one and only, greetings from. And then you have Going Camping back soon. Pioneer Hall, which is part of this property. The Bike Barn, Circle D Ranch, where the horses are for all of Disney, which is here. We'll try to get to it. It's kind of neat to have the picture there. And then they have the closet space here. And then again is an insert of kind of a woodland look with good hangers and some storage. They do well with storage. They do have a safe. Whoa, hold on. They do have a safe and some storage in there, and there's some good drawer space. In the bedroom here as well is another large TV, and they had the transom lights. So it gets a lot of natural light in here, but there's actually blinds that can come down and block that light if, like us, you like a little darkness. This room is actually chilled by a mini splits, mini air conditioner just for this room. So this room can get cold really fast. So then we can come back out to this space. Now we're coming back through. And we're gonna go in towards the bedroom, to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, first is a little hallway, comes right to its own sink. So there's a sink outside the bathroom area, which is great. And there you see me, hi guys. And then it has its own sink area, a makeup mirror, and its own products. And then as you come into the bathroom, it has another sink and the toilet, and then it has a walk-in shower. And it has the dispensers for the Disney products, and it has really a very cool shower head. It has a rain shower head and a handle shower to kind of wash your back and feet and all the other things. And then here is the mirror, which is really kind of nice. There's another transom light here. And what's neat is they think of everything. It's a little bench for your little guys. It pulls out so they can stand up and wash their hands. They don't have to be held up there. It also comes in here, this little closet. In the closet, they do give you a little everything. They got a vacuum in there, a dustpan and broom. They have a laundry bin. And they have a steam iron in case you need to iron some clothing. And again, another picture of Chip and Dale. Overall, I gotta tell you, the fixtures and finishes are top notch. It is much more spacious than the previous cabins were. Obviously, it's much more modern. The outlets, which are great to show you, have USB and the C connections, so you can charge your phones there, plus a normal outlet. So it's really done extraordinarily well. So what we're gonna do now is, guys, we're gonna take you guys on a tour of the entire campground, driving tour to show you this. But this, guys, this is one of the new cabins at Fort Wilderness Campground, and we think it is outstanding. George Florida Parks After Dark. Hang in there on to our next adventure.